What's up? Alright, so this is kind of the deal here. We are fishing a dam that is very public and that there's probably going to be a lot of people at. But this place holds smallmouth, walleye, catfish, carp, trout, and big ones too. So hopefully we hook into something nice today. I'm just trying to get out on the water as soon as possible. I will talk to you guys when I get out into water and hopefully hook into some nice fish tonight. Alright, well, there's a good bit of people here, but that's not a bad thing, because you can still catch fish with a good bit of people here.
What was that?
I said, you mind if I'm right here? Alright. Okay. You guys catch anything? No? Oh, clobbered by something in there. Yeah, he just dipped it though, he didn't pick it up. We're at a trout stream right now, actually. And it's a dam, but it holds bass, walleye, catfish, carp, trout, all kinds of stuff. And the reason why, oh, there's a bite. The reason why is because about a mile that way, is the old Susquehanna River. The fish come up in here to spawn in the springtime, and they hang out right under this dam, partially because they can't get over it, also because it gets kind of deep and there's a lot of big rocks in here. So they like to hang out right under this dam, and usually if you can get the thing in front of their face, you can catch some fish. There's a fish. He's still on. Oh, that's a big fish. Guys, I don't know what it is, but it's a big fish. Oh, it's a carp. Or is it a big old smallie? It's a carp. Nice big old carp, boys. Well, big old carp. Got him in the mouth and everything. Nice old golden carp. Gave up a good fight. Put him back in there. Let him go back on his way. Awesome. Well, that was the first action of the day, and it wasn't a smallie, it wasn't a walleye, it was a carp. Hey, I said there was carp in here, but I don't mind catching those things because they whoop your ass. Alright, I'm interjecting into the video here because it needs a lot of context. Okay, so basically you saw that I caught that carp. That was awesome. But after that, I fished for probably 2.5 to 3 hours without catching any fish at all. I hooked up with one big fish. I think it was another carp, but he came off. My GoPro battery started to die, so what I decided to do is just turn the GoPro off and only turn it on when I hooked into a fish. So I fished for those 2.5 to 3 hours. My buddy Cody showed up and we fished for another hour, hour and a half. And it wasn't any fish until I hooked into one, and it ended up being this fish right here. What in the world? Alright, well, I just got a largemouth in a trout stream, which I guess is cool, but I didn't expect that to happen. Dude, that's so weird. In the yellow breeches. I guess I'll put this little guy back. going? You done?
I think so.
He just caught one.
He's using one of them little yellow power bait ones.
Power bait worms. Well, that makes it a night. 8 o'clock. Caught carp and a largemouth bass. Not the night that I wanted it to be, but it is gonna be okay. Anyways, this is a style of fishing I don't really like doing a ton. That being close quarters, heavy populated fishing. I like fishing recluse areas, fishing on boats where you can decide where you're going to fish. You're kind of forced to fish in one area in this spot. That being said, it's a spot that can't be overlooked. Pressured spots can always catch fish. I mean, that's the reason that they're pressured, is because there's fish in there. Overall, a pretty good night. Can't wait to get back out on the water. Can't wait to get back with another video for you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Remember that the tug is the jug. And until next time, I'll see you later.